now, friends, the session is open for discussion, and you can interact with us. And if you have any, you can say question or query, you can talk to us and we can put down. And tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, we can take up those issues. So, session is open to all the participants.
Sir, in the chat box, many of the participants since morning they are writing that even they are not able to attend the previous sessions or they are not able to attend the sessions on Friday. So I think we would like to inform all the participants that attendance will be compiled by the software only. So whatever your attendance will be, we are uploading that attendance on a Natal portal, and AICT is going to issue you the certificate. So after the program is over, I don't think so we can do anything for your attendance. So you be punctual and regular for the course.
Very rightly said, Amanji, because this time the certificate is going to be issued by AICT New Delhi, of course, in collaboration with NITR Chandigarh. Our signatures would be there, but the attendance will be uploaded on the Atal Academy portal. So we cannot do anything. So be punctual, because as per the rules and regulation of Atal Academy, a person who attends 80% of the session and who gets 60% of marks in the online test, we will give you on Friday, and the person who has submitted the feedback performer will get the certificate. So friends, session is open for discussion. Please share your views about 3 days course, 3 days deliberations. We are here. Amandeep ji also is here. How to do assignment of Professor Patnaik sir regarding. So many of the participants have submitted the assignment to me. I have forwarded those assignments to Dr. S.S. Patnaik. So if you want to submit, please submit. And I want to tell you that there is no weightage for the assignment towards the certificate. That was only for practice purpose. Please participate, raise your hand, and if you have any thing you want to say about the 3 days deliberation, please come forward.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Sunil Datta sir and Kaur madam. In fact, I am very much delighted to share my views about the course in last 3 days. I was very much excited with Dr. Patnaik sir's lecture and then Sunil Dutt sir's lecture also. And still I am in doubt in the sense that, see, we are coming through this technological advent and we are introducing new concepts like blended learning and flipped classroom, and we are trying to reach to the student to the extent possible. But at the same time, I still feel that the blackboard teaching and a sort of classroom teaching, we cannot replace by using technology, as well as with our Indian culture. I think that we should come out with our own ancient method of Gurukul system to impart higher education, especially higher education in our community. So why not we come with such a model which will have a blend of a sort of Gurukul type of system.
So
Sir,
that is why we are focusing on blended type of classroom learning, because you see, in the classroom you cannot bring distant people, distance you can say industry in the classroom. So you have got the recording of say some particular process. Now you are putting in the classroom. So you see a blended mode and flipped instruction. You see, the flipped instruction can very easily implemented in the classroom. What nowadays, what is happening nowadays is that we are simply lecturing to the students. That is, we are pouring the information into their minds without knowing whether they have really understood. And sometimes we never relate the concept with example from their daily life. So in the flipped model, what we are doing, we are providing them the lecture material. We are giving them the video links on the YouTube available. Okay, so they are studying at home, and now the actual problem solving will be carried out in the classroom. So I'm very much I agree to what you have said, that no one can replace classroom teaching. So classroom teaching should be there, but there should be lot of you can say participation on the part of students. So it should not be one way of lecturing.
Yes. Thank you, sir. I got your point. Thank you.
Yes, any other person? And Dr. Udayveer Singh ji, are you happy you got the opportunity to join this program?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the last minute opportunity, sir. I've got one question with respect to your lecture on the first day. Sir, you had very short time and you literally went on very fast. Many of the PPTs also you just kept on moving it. I've got one question, sir,
learning.
with respect to index of learning styles, sir. Could
Yes, sir.
Elaborate on reflective learners or sensing learners? Because many of the PPTs went on so fast that we could not follow it up, sir.
Okay.
Hello?
Hanji. So you see, according to this index
Sir,
of learning style, Hanji, I'm listening to you. So Dr. Udayveer Singh, that according to index of learning styles, the students can be, you can say, classified on the basis of their learning style into either active learning style or reflective learning styles. Likewise, sensing learning style, intuitive learning styles, then the verbal and visual learning styles, and global and sequential learning styles. And you see, as you know, that active learners, they try to retain the information by doing something because they are active. Okay, and you see, reflective learners, they prefer to think about it even first. They don't want to discuss with others. So that is the characteristics of reflective learners. So how can active learners help himself? You see, if you are an active learner and in the class the teacher is not providing you can say opportunity for discussion or for problem solving, then you should try to you see compensate for these you can say tasks when you study yourself. For example, when you can study in a group in which the members you see take turns explaining different topics to each other, or you can work with others to guess what you will be asked in the first the next level, or you will also try to retain information better if you find ways to do something with it. This is how an active learner can help himself. Likewise, a reflective learner can help himself that simply what you do is you are reading out the text from a textbook yourself. Now, after reading out the text, you close down the book and try to write down the main points which you have which you can see, you can recollect. Okay, then you open the book again and then see. So this is how a reflective learner can have. This is one way. So likewise, many techniques have been given in the by Felder and Solomon. So if you, I want to know whether you have gone through that index of learning style.
Yes, sir. I filled up the form also, and I got the response also immediately.
Okay, that is good. So what type of learning you got?
Sir, just a minute, sir. I'll just read it across to you, sir.
It's self-explanatory.
Sir, according to the model,
I think you might have got the feedback also. You might have got the feedback also about your learning style.
Sir, reflective is 3, sensing is 7, verbal is 3, global is 1.
No, so you see active and reflective. So what was the maximum score in case of active reflective?
So it was, sir, is coming 3.
In case of active.
No, so in case of active, nothing is coming on the reflective side. On the right side is coming 3.
Okay, it means you are a kind of a reflective learner. Okay.
Yes.
So if the teacher does not provide opportunity in the classroom for doing something, then how you can help yourself? So you, आपको वो strategy भी मिली होगी, उसमें लिखा होगा, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It's written that if your dimension is between 1 to 3, you are fairly well balanced on the 2 categories.
You are well balanced. Yes. Sometimes you try to do something. Sometimes you try to reflect on something. So if your score is in between 1 and 3, it means you have a fairly balanced learning style as far as the active and reflective styles are concerned. अगले में क्या आया था? Sensing and intuitive.
So sense.
आपको सेंसिंग लर्नर कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं? You see, if you are in a class where most of the material is abstract and theoretical, you can say help yourself. You can see some video available on YouTube. You can try to visualize something. You can prepare some concept map while doing something, because you are a person who wants to learn through senses. Okay.
Okay, sir. I got your overall point. I will analyze my results and
find out examples. Thank you so much. Because you are a sensor, you have got sensing learning style. So try to find out examples by which you can relate the abstract concept, so that the abstract concept can be concretized.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I got the concept. Thank you so much, Dr. Sunil. Thank you.
Dr. Udayveer Singh ji, please encourage your students to undergo this kind of test, and definitely you can do small kind of action research and how you can help your students. So that is that will be a very good you can say kind of research.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Anji. Any other person? Any other thing? What evaluation material, sir? In regard to what?
Somebody is asking, let me know when sir, yes, when sir provided these evaluation materials. So I'm asking what evaluation material they're asking about.
Okay.
And many of the participants asked the timing for this final paper on Friday.
From 2:30, we will have the valediction, as well as we will give the, we'll send the link of Google form to all the participants. So any other query?
Can we get the link for the evaluation of learning index?
It is available. You go to Google and write index of learning style. You will get the online test available. It is free. You can ask your students to fill 44 statements, and they will come to know their learning style immediately. It is by, the test is by
I have already written in the chat box, sir. I'll
M.
write the question.
and
Yes.
Solomon. It is Solomon, SOLOMN.
Manisha, is there any question with you? Because in the chat box, I have replied all the questions. That is with me.
For which work?
For learning style index, sir.
So please go to Google, type index of learning style. You will get the questionnaire. You can right now do access to that questionnaire while listening to us. So one query is that after end of COVID situation, do you think these teaching methods remain more weightage and will be popular? Why not? You see, blended learning and flipped classroom. Why can't you do some kind of experimentation with flipped classroom? You can identify 2-3 topics which you will not be teaching in the classroom. You will be providing them the material, the video links. They will study at home and prepare some exercise sheet, and that exercise, those exercises will be solved by the students in the classroom in your presence. So this can be implemented very easily. Even blended mode of learning.
The private universities are doing it right now also.
Yes, even blended learning is very easily implemented. What blended means, आपको अमनदीप ने यही बताया ना, that in blended learning, some part is given to the students online, and some part they discuss in the classroom. Why can't it happen right now? So both the models can be implemented very comfortably.
So I think one question is for Manisha. Manisha, many of the participants are asking about how you are going to mark the attendance at the end of these sessions. another thing, some of the parents trying to mark their attendance directly on Atal portal. I think that facility is not available with the participants. Only the coordinator can do this. Yes.
And that too after
So participants are requested. Yes. After the 5 days, your attendance will be marked by the coordinator of the program only. You please don't try to mark your attendance on Atal portal. The facility is not available. So there is no more question with us in the chat box.
So let us call it a day now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, friends. So we meet tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I request all the participants to be punctual and join the course by 10 minutes to 10 so that we can start the session at 10 o'clock. Thank you once again, Manisha ji. Thank you, Amandeep ji.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks, Manisha.
Okay, beta. Okay.